Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the pan and batter so the shape holds. Grease every cavity and seam. This prevents sticking and preserves detail. Once done, preheat the oven to the recipe temperature because a stable heat helps even rise. Make a batter that's slightly thick yet pourable. This supports structure around the doll. Pour slowly into the torso cavity first, then fill skirt sections to avoid air pockets. Make sure to tap gently to release trapped air before baking. You continue by controlling oven behavior and timing to keep shape and moisture. Place the pan on the center rack so heat distributes evenly. If edges brown first, tent with foil to slow them. Once the skirt section's near set, test with a toothpick in the thickest area. Come out mostly clean with a few crumbs is ideal. After removing from oven, cool the pan 10 to 15 minutes to let structure firm up, then invert gently onto a rack to finish cooling. You finish by assembling and decorating while protecting the shape. Once cake is fully cool, trim any high spots on the skirt with a serrated knife and use frosting to rebuild smooth contours. This creates a clean canvas. Insert the doll or plastic torso after cooling to prevent sinking, and pipe frosting in layers for stability and detail. If a seam cracks or a piece falls, press fresh frosting into the gap and chill briefly to firm it up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.